country-based super user access. I'm looking to provide super user access to entities belonging to a specific country. E.g., Swedish SUK can only admin Swedish entities, etc. However, I'm new to Django, taking over an old system, and I need a lifeline. I'd like to be able to specify a relationship table. I've already added a user profile, and with that I have a new field called super_user_country_link equals models.foreign key, superuser to country, blank equals true, null equals true. And then underneath a new class. I plan to run script then to add an entry for each super user and give them a link to country 0, i.e., no country equals, total SU access. I can then remove these entries as I start to put country-specific entries in. So later I can call, using houses as an example. So looking at it, this should mean that I can list multiple countries against a single user, right? Maybe I'm overthinking it, but does this look correct? I'm coming from a PHP background, so I'm just slightly dubious over how correct this is.
Correct me if I am wrong. It seems to me that you are trying to establish a many-to-many relationship between user profile and country. If so, the best way to go about it would be to use a many-to-many field. Something like this. You can leave it at that without requiring a separate model, or superuser to country, as long as you are not storing any other information as part of this relationship. If in case you do plan to store other info, there is a way for that too. The conditions blank equals true and null equals true are not needed here. If no countries are associated with an user profile, then the countries will return an empty lost, i.e. an _instance.countries.all, will be empty. When you start adding countries, you can do something like this. The above conditions can most likely be expressed more precisely based on your specific need. Incidentally, you'll add a country to an user's profile like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.